Welcome back, guys, to a brand new video. Today I have a swinging mechanism from Spirit. Yes, and it can hold up to 4.4 pounds. Sorry about the camera being in the way. That's how it's gonna have to be. IR sensor included. Yep, you can read that. That's what it looks like. On the side it just says that, and on the other side it says the same thing. On top of it, the back of it, just got it. Yep, it was like $34.99. Yep, so let's get unboxing. This is everything that comes in the box. It comes with it. So you have two poles, metal, and then you have a IR sensor, and you have the device itself. Also, if you're wondering, the box is just right behind me, right here. And you can tell there's nothing in the box. Yeah, you can definitely tell now. Sorry about my fingers being in the way, but yeah, you have to put batteries in it. As you can tell, I put batteries in it. Takes double A's. So let's get setting it up. Alright. For the first thing you have to do is you need to install this to here. Put it through here. Smack that boy down there. And then, I got that thing into there. Push down, and as you can tell, it goes right through. And then all you have to do is just add that thing there. Alright. And then you can add in the IR sensor right there. So let me go add in the IR sensor. I cannot get it in there, so yeah, I know it's ended up breaking that thing, but yeah. So I'm gonna go set it up, but before I set it up, I need to flip the thing over on the back. And as you can tell, you can hook up the IR sensor right there. Am I zoomed in? Oh no. Okay. You can hook up the IR sensor right there. If you can. Oh, wrong way. Okay, like that. But I don't really want to add an IR sensor. Or you can plug it in. You can do sensor on. Yep, that's what. Nope, that's not what I want. Okay. Well, but I like to take my plug for the step pad and plug it right in. Whoa. Whoops. Daisy. Okay. I'm going to go set this thing up in a different place. Okay, I just set it up. So let's hook it up. So let's turn it on to step pad. Now it's on step pad. So let's step down. Notice. And that's how it works. Alright, I'm going to go add in the IR sensor to show you how the IR sensor will work. Okay, I just added in the IR sensor, so let's do some motion. There we go. Also, it does not say any words in there. It does not talk at all. It does not talk in there. It does not talk. But, yep, that's what it looks like. Alright, y'all. Alright, so if this video gets 1,000 views or 1,000 likes or 30 subscribers, I will do a face reveal next week. In the next video, I might be doing something different than this. So, subscribe. Bye.